Number 17. Event planning and party services. People will pay top dollar for stress-free, memorable events, and that's exactly the business you're stepping into. From birthdays to corporate lunches or themed gatherings, event planning is all about turning visions into reality. Step 1. Choose your niche. Maybe you love organizing kids' birthday parties, planning corporate luncheons, or coordinating themed celebrations. Focusing on a specific type of event helps you master the details that clients value most. Step 2. Create service packages. Offer options like basic decor, catering coordination, or full-service event planning where you handle everything from start to finish. Having clear packages makes it easier for clients to understand what they're paying for and helps you upsell where appropriate. Step 3. Advertise locally and online. Use social media, WhatsApp groups, and local bulletin boards. Share pictures of past events, short video clips of setups, or behind-the-scenes stories. People want to see your work before trusting you with their special day. Pricing is straightforward. For starters, you can charge $300 to $1,000 per event, depending on size and complexity. And here's the secret. Build a portfolio. Photos, testimonials, and event highlights create social proof. A single successful event can lead to referrals, repeat clients, and even larger corporate gigs. So, if you love organizing, designing, and creating memorable experiences, event planning is not just a side hustle. It's a way to turn creativity into cash while helping people celebrate life's moments effortlessly. So if this hustle sounds like your kind of start, don't stop here. There are 19 more just like it, each one packed with fresh, real-world money ideas. Check out the full video, 20 Side Hustles to Start in 2026, right here on the channel. You'll find the one that fits your lifestyle, your skills, and your future. Comment if this hustle resonates with you or the challenges you are facing. Like, share, and subscribe for more business content.